Hey everyone, welcome to the LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about nail design. I'll be explaining what a dot nail design is and also show you how it looks like. Don't forget to check out my nail art playlist. It is a collection of all my nail art and nail care related videos, which is over 80 videos. It is a must watch for everyone. By definition, a dot is a small round mark. In the nail art space, it can be small or even big. This can be achieved by using just one nail polish color, and the second shade will be the nail polish that you apply on your nail. When done properly, it can also give a classic and timeless look. It is perfect for weddings, or even for official wear like for the office. The technique is pretty simple and also easy to replicate. Here I'm showing a very minimal look, creating just one dot in the center. You can also experiment with the style and play with the placement of the dot or dots. I'll be showing you how to achieve them in my future videos. Please save this playlist of mine to see all the different styles and methods of dot nail art that I'll be posting in the future. Since you're here learning about dot nail design, you should also check out my nail design playlist. These are my top 5 videos of this year, 2021. Did you check them out yet? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. If you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And then hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!